Yo, what's good, guys? We got a quick unboxing today. Just left Subi Mods over in Connecticut and picked up a few things for the WRX, so let's get started. First thing we have here is the Grimspeed external wastegate up pipe, 38 to 40 millimeter. Boom. Thing's a beautiful piece. We got that. Wastegate dump tube, hardware and gaskets all included as well. To go with that, we also have the VF series wastegate bracket. It's going to keep that internal wastegate nice and closed. The moment we've all finally been waiting for, we got the Cobb Flex Fuel kit for the 08 to 14 WRX. Since it is a WRX, it only needs literally the ethanol sensor, also with the injectors and pump, but we do not need the fuel stumble kit or something like that that the STIs require. Again, all this was purchased over at Subi Mods in Connecticut. We have the AEM oil pressure gauge. It's gonna line up perfectly with my triple pillar A-pillar gauge pod setup that I have going. I have air fuel ratio, I have boost, and now I have oil pressure. Next up, I am very excited for this. This is something new that TurboSmart has just put out recently. It's their brand new open dump wastegate. It's actually their comp gate, I believe what it's called. Little V-band tool right here. And boom, look at that. The anodized blue looks really good with the engine bay. Springs, V-band, hardware, all that stuff included with this. Can't wait to put that on. Up next, we also have another TurboSmart product. You can't ever go wrong with these guys. These guys' quality is literally top notch. Now what we have here is the TurboSmart dual port blow off valve. Right now I'm running the TurboSmart compact bypass valve, so it'll be nice to have that nice 50-50 blow off sound. And finally, last but not least, we have a nice little package from IAG. This is something that the WRX has been needing for a very long time, and I've just been so lazy. Just didn't want to buy it. Ran into a little bit of money, so why not? Let's get it over and done with. Let's protect the motor. Now this right here is the IAG air oil separator. Very nicely packaged. All the fittings right there. Zip ties included as well. All the hose right here. Everything that's needed. Now this is the IAG air oil separator street. I don't plan on doing anything super crazy with the car, you know, going over 500 horsepower or anything like that. So I grabbed this one. Got it in black, and it looks absolutely stunning. The quality on this thing is amazing. Really good piece. Very long overdue and needed. So, all right, let's get to installing some of this stuff.